Welcome students. Today we are going to learn articles. Articles a and the. The articles a and the are determiners used before nouns and sometimes adjectives. A comes before singular nouns that begin with a consonant sound. Let's see examples. A cow, a battle, a deer, a pearl. An comes before singular nouns that begin with a vowel sound or a mute H. Vowel sounds are A, E, I, O, U. Let's see some examples. An adult, an X-ray, an apple, an elephant, an ice cream, an otter, an umbrella. Articles a and used to introduce a singular noun. A and are indefinite articles. A and are used to speak of someone or something for the first time. A or an are used with a noun in general. For example, we have a test tomorrow. Second, Ved wants to be an umpire. That is a stall. Fourth example, this is an orange. Article the used to introduce plural nouns. Article the is used when we talk about the same noun the second time, that is about a particular thing. The is a definite article used to point out a noun. The articles a and the can be used before an adjective that comes before a noun. We use the when a person, place, animal or thing is mentioned a second time. We use the when there is only one such thing. For example, the moon, the sun. The second example, the bicycles, the erasers, the ostriches, the dolls. Third example, there is an umbrella on the stall. We will take quick revise when we use the. First point, when it is clear which thing or person we can talking about. For example, who was the girl you are talking to at the store? Second point, when we talk about people or things in particular. For example, the sun rose at 6:17 a.m. today. Next example, the Prime Minister will be addressing the nation from the Red Fort. Next, with the names of famous buildings or monuments. For example, have you been to the Taj Mahal? Next, with names of rivers, oceans and seas. For example, the Ganga, the Indian Ocean, the Arabian Sea. Next point is with names of desert and forest. For example, the Thar Desert, the Sundarbans. Next point, with names of newspapers. For example, the Times of India. Next point, with names of trains. For example, the Rajdhani Express,